Okay, so I'll put this funnel in here, and I'm going to pour 100 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide in here. I have to get it perfectly exact. Should be good. Okay, so now,
Cap on. Put the cap on the bottle, please.
Where did that thermometer go?
Dry on the plate.
Okay, so we put the thermometer in here.
You want some soap in there?
Right. We're going to put in one.
I would just give it a squirt. Oh,
Right.
Just make sure you remember how much you put in there.
I'll just put a little bit in there.
Mm-hmm.
Not too much. Here, that didn't really go in.
Okay.
Okay, that should be good.
So just,
Okay.
It's right by you. There you go.
Okay.
You want
So,
to stir it up to make sure the foam's in, or the soap's in there.
okay. So now I'm going to suck up 4 milliliters of this solution. Almost exactly 4 milliliters.
Before you do that, can you tell us what the temperature of the hydrogen peroxide is?
Currently, the temperature of the hydrogen peroxide is, this is upside down. So currently, without adding anything, the temperature of the hydrogen peroxide is 72.
You want to go rinse off your
Fahrenheit.
hands since you have hydrogen peroxide on your hands now.
1 second. Sorry about that.
So
Okay.
what was
so
the
now
temperature now?
the temperature, let's see. It has not gone up. It is still 72 degrees Fahrenheit.
72 degrees.
Okay, so we will squirt this sodium iodide solution in it and see what happens. As you can see, it's getting yellow and starting to bubble, starting to fizz. White foam is starting to foam up at the top. Let's see. The temperature is not going up yet. The foam is starting to reach the top. It kind of looks like beer. The foam is starting to overflow the sides. I cannot read the temperature currently. Okay, it is foaming over still. It doesn't feel super warm yet. Okay, the foam is pooling up around the beaker. It's only going in one direction down the beaker, pooling up on one side. If you can kind of see this side, it's fizzing and bubbling from the bottom, going upwards. The liquid is yellow from the reaction. It smells very sulfury.
You could probably lift up the thermometer to see what the temperature is. Still get it on your hands. Or maybe you can't see
It's
it.
very foamy, I can't read it. Still erupting foam. Looks like it's still reacting. I think this might actually be a full reaction if we did our math right. Yep, the foam is going down in there. It looks like looks like Christmas. More and more bubbles at the bottom. the foam is starting to slow down. It's definitely still flowing, just slowly now, down the sides of the beaker. I'll just read it at the end. Okay. Lots of foam in this experiment. Better write that down. Okay, it looks like it's pretty. I'm just gonna dunk it down to get the rest flowing out. It looks like it's close to overflowing this plate. Definitely a lot of foam in this reaction.
Don't touch it.
I wonder what would happen if we put the other thermometer on the outside of the plate. Okay, I'm reading it through the glass. It looks like it's above 90 degrees now. It looks like it's increasing. Yeah, it looks like it's about 95 degrees. Okay. Oh, it is. Okay. Reading the temp. Yes, it's around 98 degrees, almost to 100. Doesn't look like it's increasing very quickly right now. I think that might be the final temperature. Oh, 99. It is increasing. I think it might actually get to 100 on this experiment. Nearing 100, about 99.5 degrees. Still monitoring the temperature, still bubbling a little bit. And boom, yes, 100 degrees. It is actually over 100 degrees now. It looks like it's 100.5, 101. It's increasing faster now. It stopped at 101. Oh, nope, it's still increasing a little bit. One and a half, almost to 40 degrees Celsius. Probably don't want to be breathing this. It's increasing slower now. Very slow increasing. And it looks like the foam is no longer sticking to the thermometer. As you can see, I'm plunging it back in, taking it out. It's not sticking very well. It looks like temperature is beginning to go down again. So the maximum temperature was 101.5. 101.5. Okay. What?
Done with this one?
Yeah. And we are done with this one. Lots of foam.
What's up next?
What's up next? No clue.